covered with the sugarcane. And konjam vegetable irukkum. Plant protection techniques. And the family, patampuchi, under control than another thing. And the pesto diseases control mainly in sugarcane. Karimbu than main model. Yes. Thank you. Then production and distribution of allied planting material. Next thing, we sell planting materials for farmers. Farmers can do what? Farmers, Vyavasai. Okay. Vyavasai agriculture, krishi sambandhamayitte planting material kodukka with thaigala ellam kodukka. That's the main thing. Okay. And Dr. Gladys ma'am is the head of this institution. She is in mainly on soil science. What is it called? Mannu than our main subject. Then Jaykumar sir is here. He is dealing with the agronomy. That means agriculture related things. Cultivation and the
water.
Yes. Then the Lily teacher is there. She is dealing with the plant pathology. Roga vandale nammal treat pannuva like that. Then Ajit sir is there. He is dealing with the plant breeding and genetics. Natural sir that karimbu gaveshana nadukku. Edu variety select cheyanam, edu salathu kodukkanam. Okay. That's Ajit sir. Then Vijayashree ma'am is there. She is dealing with horticulture. Any crop, vegetable, then coconut, arecanut, whatever it is. She is dealing with the horticulture.
Ornamental plant.
Ornamental plants, whatever it is. Okay. The next is Pinsina, that's me. Jnana Patambuchidam and main shape. Okay. Then these are some research works. I think, sir, this is not necessary for them.
Okay, next.
Okay. We have some projects. The one is KEDA project. KEDA project is a World Bank funded project. It's a huge, large, it's a Peria project that World Bank money.
project funding பண்ணிருக்காங்க. இவங்க புது வெரைட்டி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்காக.
Oral location suitable ആയിട്ടുള്ള cultivation aspect കൊണ്ടുവരും. Okay. Then നമ്മൾ മെയിൻ ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് പ്ലാന്റിംഗ് മെറ്റീരിയൽ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ വ്യവസായം பண்ணதுக்கு suitable ആയിട്ടുള്ള വിത്ത് കൊടുക്കുക, പ്ലാന്റിംഗ് മെറ്റീരിയൽ കൊടുക്കുക. Then demonstration, this is free ആയിട്ടുള്ള ginger production. ജിഞ്ചർക്ക് என்ன ഇഞ്ചി okay. Here also ഇഞ്ചി. മലയാളത്തിലെ ഇഞ്ചിതാ. ഇഞ്ചിന്റെ മെയിൻ ഇഞ്ചി വിത്ത് seed production മെയിൻ. Next പന്നിയൂർ black pepper. Kurumalagu, ketirukka. Kurumalagu. Here in Kerala, we are mostly cultivating Panniyur variety. Kurumalagile main item nammal krishi vyavasayam pannathu Panniyur variety da.
Sure.
Okay. Panniyur 1 mudale Panniyur 10 vare namukku irukku. Okay. Suitable to oru condition. Okay. Next resource management in high density planting of banana. Vada krishikku. Normally we have planting single sucker. What is it?
Order nadu.
Adinu പകരമായിട്ട് ഒരു സ്ഥലത്ത് നമ്മൾ 3 എണ്ണം പ്ലാന്റ് ചെയ്യും. Okay, that's high density planting. Adu familiar? Not familiar.
Some area is familiar.
Okay. That's the another. These are the 5 important projects ongoing here. Okay. Next point with what are the infrastructures available here. First one we have sales counter.
Virpanai kodam.
Yes, sales counter is there. From there you can purchase and seedling, some squash jams, some of the things are there. Then we have one jaggery processing unit is there. There is bellam. Bellam ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലമുണ്ട്. Then this is the farm office. ഒരു farm office ഇருக்கு. Then
poly house.
Yes, ഒരു poly house ഇருக்கு. Seed for the വ്യവസായം പണ്ടതുக்கு suitable ആയിട്ടുള്ള seedling purposes. Okay, then sugarcane cultivation, I think these are the farmers mostly related to vegetable cultivation or sugarcane.
sugarcane.
Good, sugarcane. Still you are more better than me. Okay, sugarcane cultivation. I think you know these things are mainly കരുമ്പ് കൾട്ടിവേഷൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്തിനാണ്? നിങ്ങളുടെ നാട്ടിൽ എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്?
அவங்க என்ன கேக்குறாங்கன்னா நம்ம முக்கியமா எதுக்கு நம்ம கரும்பு விவசாயம் பண்றோம், எதுக்கு முக்கியத்துவம் கொடுக்கறோம் அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க.
முக்கியமா கரும்பு எதுக்கு பண்ணுது?
என்ன பர்பஸ்க்காக நம்ம
சுகர் ஒரு வெல்லம் then juice பண்றதுக்கு. Here but in Kerala we are used only for juice purpose and vellam purpose, no sugar. Okay. Then there are different type of sugars are there. These are the some things. Which type sugar you are?
Not
Large granule or small granule?
Small.
Large. Okay, good.
small granules is exported right.
Okay. அந்த பக்கம் processing unit இருக்கா?
Processing unit இருக்கு.
Okay. These farmers are like FPOs. Kerala, under farmers, they make FPOs, farmer producing organizations, and they procure different products. Some farmers are like cotton cultivars, some farmers are agricultural cultivars, some farmers are rice cultivars.
Different
Like
farmers.
that. Then some of them are come make a group and register under FPO. Like that. That's why I am.
நன்றி, வணக்கம்.